Aviation War Room, we have visual on the primary targets. 6 units confirmed on the western apron. Beginning final approach.
Impact confirmed. Lead target neutralized. Transitioning to secondary unit now.
Target 2 is down. Aviation War Room, we are seeing secondary ignitions. The fuel stores are compromised.
Heavy transport engaged. Massive internal explosion. It's not going anywhere.
Helipad under fire. Aviation War Room, confirming 3 rotors destroyed. Moving to the hangars. Fuel truck destroyed. We have a massive thermal bloom. The hangars are catching now.
Aviation War Room, we have a direct hit on the tower. Comms are dark. Moving to the flight line.
3 more units engaged. The flight line is a total loss. Aviation War Room, requesting permission for the transport apron. Heavy transport confirmed destroyed. Massive secondary cook-off. Aviation War Room, the airfield is effectively neutralized. Rotor wing assets neutralized. Aviation War Room, scanning for any remaining movement on the perimeter. Fuel farm is gone. The thermal bloom is off the charts. Aviation War Room, total mission success.
BDA complete. Aviation War Room, all targets neutralized. Coming home.
Radar signature lost. Aviation War Room, the base is officially blind. Proceeding to the missile launchers.
Launcher neutralized. We have a major secondary cook-off. Aviation War Room, air defenses are being dismantled piece by piece.
Intercept successful. The Su-34 is down. Aviation War Room, no more fixed-wing threats on the western taxiway.
Maintenance area is gone. Multiple secondary detonations confirmed. Aviation War Room, clearing the final apron.
Fuel line ruptured. Aviation War Room, we have a massive ground fire spreading. The facility is fully compromised.
All objectives met. Aviation War Room, mission is complete. Drone is returning to base. Switching to standby.
Aviation War Room, we have cleared the perimeter. Target airfield is in sight. Switching to active targeting mode now. Convoy intercepted. Aviation War Room, the main access road is now blocked by a massive thermal obstruction.
Defense suppressed.
Aviation War Room, we are clear to continue the sweep. Moving to the final hangar row.
Major secondary explosion in Hangar 3. Aviation War Room, the entire northern sector is now engulfed.
Mission success. All targets eliminated. Aviation War Room, signing off. Moving to extraction point.
Aviation War Room, we have structural failure on target 4. The engine manifold is liquefying. Total airframe lost.
Containment breach confirmed. Aviation War Room, the main fuel reserve is venting. Stand by for catastrophic ignition.
Rotor mast neutralized. Aviation War Room, that's a confirmed kill on the attack variant. Moving to the next pad.
Ground support is attempting to evacuate. Aviation War Room, I am maintaining visual. They have nowhere to go.
EW asset neutralized. Signal interference is dropping. Aviation War Room, the airspace is now completely open.
Runway is severed in 3 locations. BDA confirmed. Aviation War Room, the mission is complete. Returning to base. Aviation War Room, adjusting sensor gain. I have a lock on the secondary power grid. It's glowing bright on the IR.
Fuel Bowser intercepted. Aviation War Room, we have a significant thermal spread. The northern access road is blocked.
AA battery suppressed. Aviation War Room, defensive fire has ceased in Sector 4. Moving to the primary barracks.
Grid offline. Aviation War Room, the entire western wing is in a blackout. Infrared visibility is now our primary advantage.
Emergency services neutralized. Aviation War Room, they cannot contain the fires. The target airframe is a total loss.
Mission complete. All primary and secondary objectives destroyed. Aviation War Room, RTB in progress. Over and out.
Bunker entrance engaged. Direct hit. Aviation War Room, the subterranean access is now sealed.
We have secondary detonations.
Aviation War Room. The ammo dump is fully involved. The explosion pattern is consistent with large caliber shells.
Targeting the Hind on pad 3. Engines were hot. Aviation War Room, the threat is neutralized before it could lift.
Command vehicle neutralized. Aviation War Room, no high-value targets remain in the perimeter. The escape route is closed.
Final BDA complete. All primary, secondary, and tertiary targets confirmed destroyed. Aviation War Room, switching to RTB. Mission success.
Intersection neutralized. Aviation War Room, we have successfully bottled up the remaining technicals in the northern sector.
GPU hit. Aviation War Room, we have a secondary ignition in the lead aircraft's fuselage. Structural failure is imminent. Internal temperatures are peaking. Aviation War Room, the command structure is fully compromised. Data centers are offline.
Perimeter lights suppressed. Aviation War Room, the airfield is now in total visual blackout. Proceeding to final sweep.
Thermal bleed is extensive. Aviation War Room, the composite materials are failing. The airframe is no longer salvageable.
Data upload complete. Mission logged. Aviation War Room, this is Specialist Era, signing off. All targets confirmed destroyed.
Aviation War Room, we have a catastrophic hit on the heavy transport. Fuel cells are compromised. Taxiway Alpha is now obstructed. Secondary ignitions confirmed inside Hangar 7. Aviation War Room, the heat signature is off the charts. Total facility loss. Rotary wing assets neutralized. Aviation War Room, multiple impacts across the apron. No viable airframes remain in Sector 3.
Logistics yard destroyed. Aviation War Room. The maintenance capability of this facility has been eliminated.
Fuel line breach. Aviation War Room, we have a massive ground fire spreading toward the northern hangars. The fire gap is established.
All primary objectives confirmed destroyed. Aviation War Room, the airfield is non-operational for the foreseeable future. Mission complete. Over and out. Aviation War Room, avionics bay neutralized. The airframe's brain is gone. Transitioning to the portside engine.
Fuel trail ignited. Aviation War Room, we have a thermal wall established. Ground crews are effectively cut off from the primary targets.
Tower is down. Aviation War Room, total signal blackout confirmed. The facility is now isolated. Aviation War Room, ground crews are in total disarray. No organized fire suppression is visible. Proceeding with final demolition.
We have active AAA in Sector 9. Aviation War Room, marking coordinates for suppression. They're firing blind.
Thermal plumes confirmed for all primary storage sites. Aviation War Room, the mission is a 100% success. Returning to base.
Aviation War Room, we have a penetration on Shelter 6. Internal secondary confirmed. That asset is neutralized.
Radar truck neutralized. Aviation War Room, the sector is officially dark. They have no way to track our remaining assets.
Rescue units disabled. Aviation War Room, they cannot contain the thermal spread. The entire apron is going up. Fuel farm breached. Massive spill in progress. Aviation War Room, the base is becoming a total inferno.
Repair bays leveled. Aviation War Room, all ground support infrastructure is now categorized as non-functional. Mission success. All primary and secondary objectives neutralized. Aviation War Room, this is Specialist Era, RTB. Over and out.
Aviation War Room, EW assets suppressed. Signal clarity has returned to 100%. Moving to the secondary apron.
Direct hit on the wing route. Aviation War Room, that Su-34 is structurally totaled. No salvage possible.
We have a major cook-off in the maintenance shed. Aviation War Room, internal munitions are self-destructing. The facility is a loss. Target intercepted on the northern egress road. Aviation War Room, the fuel reserve is neutralized. No escapees confirmed.
Engine core is liquefying. Aviation War Room, thermal damage is 100%. Target is officially deleted from the active inventory.
Final BDA complete. Airfield is non-operational. Total mission success.
Tail rotor neutralized on the attack variant. Aviation War Room, target is non-flyable. Moving to the adjacent pad.
Aviation War Room, we have a cook-off on the SAM battery. Major thermal event. Air defense in this sector is suppressed.
Power unit destroyed. Aviation War Room, the western sector is now in a total blackout. Switching to high-gain thermal.
Aviation War Room, hangar containment is lost. Internal temperatures are reaching critical levels for the airframes inside.
Mobile threat neutralized. Aviation War Room, technical truck is gone. The perimeter is secure.
Final assessment complete. Aviation War Room, 100% target neutralization confirmed. Drone is returning to base. Mission success.
Fullback neutralized. Aviation War Room, cockpit integrity is 0. The avionics suite is a total loss.
Secondary depot is up. Aviation War Room, the thermal signature is peaking. The entire southern sector is now a firestorm.
Navigation lights neutralized. Aviation War Room, the airfield is officially closed to all incoming traffic. No relief possible. Structural failure confirmed on the heavy lift asset. Aviation War Room, the main spar has snapped. That aircraft is permanent scrap. Maintenance crew intercepted. Aviation War Room, ground support is non-existent. The auxiliary hangar is the next target.
Mission success. All strategic assets eliminated. Aviation War Room, this is Specialist Era, RTB. The target is effectively deleted. Aviation War Room, we have a major cook-off in the Ordnance Shack. Secondary detonations are consistent with high explosive storage. Clearing the area for the next pass.
Fire suppression unit neutralized. Aviation War Room, they have no way to contain the spread now. The target airframe is a 100% loss.
Direct hit on the cockpit. Aviation War Room, avionics are melting. That airframe is officially deleted from the active roster. Fuel hydrant breached. Aviation War Room, we have a massive surface fire spreading through Sector 2. The Apron is becoming a total inferno.
Structural collapse confirmed on Hangar 4. Aviation War Room, total loss of the maintenance facility. No assets survived the interior fire.
Switching to Black Hawk for final BDA. Aviation War Room, mobile repair unit is neutralized. No field maintenance capability remains in this sector.
Secondary detonations confirmed at the support cluster. Aviation War Room, we have a total thermal breakout. Multiple storage units involved.
The wing spar has reached its melting point. Aviation War Room, airframe structural integrity is 0. Target is categorized as a complete loss.
Field radar is offline. Aviation War Room, the base's local tracking capability is fully suppressed. We are invisible.
Command module neutralized. Aviation War Room, total loss of local coordination. The airbase is effectively decapitated.
Mission success. All strategic assets eliminated. Aviation War Room, this is Specialist Era, RTB. The target is effectively deleted.
Aviation War Room, hangar block 4 is collapsing. Thermal spill reaching the taxiway. Total facility loss confirmed.
Secondary tank ignition confirmed. Aviation War Room, the entire northern perimeter is saturated with heat. No assets survived the blast.
Comms mast eliminated. Aviation War Room, local frequencies are silent. The facility is officially isolated.
Confirmed kills on all Su-25 units. Aviation War Room, these airframes are beyond repair. Moving to high altitude for final sweep.
Final BDA complete. Aviation War Room, mission success. 100% target neutralization confirmed across all sectors.
Aviation War Room, this is Specialist Era. All objectives deleted. Drone is coming home. Switching to standby.
Over and out.
Aviation War Room, runway intersection cratered. Taxiway Alpha is non-functional, trapping all remaining assets in the hangar zone. Aviation War Room, we have a major atmospheric cook-off. Secondary explosions are consistent with compressed gas storage. Sector clear. Structural failure confirmed on the heavy lift asset. Aviation War Room, the main spar has snapped. That aircraft is permanent scrap. Aviation War Room, field radar is offline. Local tracking capability is fully suppressed. Moving to the final sweep of the technical bays.
Mobile threat neutralized. Aviation War Room, technical truck is gone. No organized resistance remains in the northern quadrant. Final assessment complete. Aviation War Room, 100% target neutralization confirmed. Drone is returning to base. Mission success.
Target on Pad 4 neutralized. Aviation War Room, the attack helicopter is grounded. Moving to the adjacent support technicals.
GCI asset suppressed. Aviation War Room, local radar is officially offline. We are clear for the final sweep of the technical bays.
Fuel tanker intercepted. Aviation War Room, the northern egress is now a thermal wall. No escapees confirmed.
Aviation War Room, multiple impacts on the western flight line. 4 Su-25 units neutralized. Total sector dominance achieved.